So the first thing we're going to do is find the equation of the line passing through the points -1, 6 and 1, 2. And we're going to call this line y equals f of x. We have 2 points and we want a line. What should we do? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you just said the slope formula. So really, you want to find the slope. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go ahead and find the slope. And you know what? Just to make it easy, I'm going to call this A, B, C. So now we have 3 parts to this problem. And it's really easy to tell which one. So let's work on part A. So first thing we do is find the slope. Okay, so here's M. I'm going to write 6 minus 2. And then in my denominator, I'm going to write 1 minus -1. Did I do that correctly or incorrectly? How can you tell? And if you're writing in pen, I wouldn't write down the denominator yet until we've answered this. Well, let's circle these vertically. So, yep, it should be -1 minus 1. So if I cover these two up, is the point that I have 1, 6? Is that my point 1, 6? No, it's -1, 6. So that's not correct. So I accidentally swapped these. -1 minus +1. Now I can look at this and go, oh, that's -1, 6. And I can look at these ones and go, that's 1, 2. Okay, so now let's find the slope. In my numerator, I get 4. In my denominator, I get -2. So my slope is -2. So this is where our other equation is going to come into play, our point slope form of a linear equation. So point, and that's y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. All this says is pick any point on the line. Our point is x naught, comma, y naught. We have 2 points to choose from. Which one do you want to choose? 1 and 2 looks easier. There's no negatives. Yep. And if you chose -1 and 6, you'll get the same answer. So I'm going to let this be 1, 2. So now let's go ahead and set this up. Y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. So y minus 2 equals -2 times x minus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 to both sides to get y equals -2 times x minus 1 plus 2. And I'm running out of space, so I'm going to do the thing where I move my work to another column. I'm not just going to write an equal sign and have all my work be one long horizontal line. So y equals -2 times x minus 1 plus 2. I need to apply the distributive property here. What's -2 times x? -2x. So this is y equals -2x. And then what about here? -2 times -1 is +2. Yeah, so just 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the equation I end up with is y is equal to -2x plus 4. Obvious? Here we go. This is the answer for part A. So remember, if you're given 2 points to find the equation of a line, you want to start by finding the slope, then using the point slope form of a linear equation, which is literally just y minus the y value of the point you picked equals our slope times x minus the x value of the point we picked. We happen to pick 1, 2 because it was easier. There's no negatives. And then once you put this in here, you can just rewrite it in slope-intercept form by solving for y.